Hello students of Standard 5, good morning. I hope you all are happy and fine. Now today we are going to learn chapter 4, Greedy Govind part 4. Children, we have seen previously how Govind felt bad. For having been so greedy, he was all taking care of himself. All wanted he should have first and plenty. Not only first, but he wanted to have plenty. He never thought that his brothers will have or not. He want others get or not. I should have everything full. Even we have seen that he pushed his brother Tarun with his elbow to get the food first. So that when they are getting by time, he will finish and again ready for the second term. But his brothers were very caring and nice. Tarun, Anand and Vicky. They were all looking at him how food is becoming poisonous for him when he had too much. Unwanted extra he was having, which was not necessary, and his nose was bulging out longer, ear was growing so, whole face and skin of everywhere in the body became blue greenish color, and he was looking so funny, strange creature. And he was so much affected with that. Later on, he realized that is something wrong with him. And also, he realized that because he was so greedy. Then he says to God, "Oh God, if you make me the same Govind like I was early, I will not do any more greediness." The lesson he learned. He realized his mistake, though very late, but he realized. Realization is the great virtue. This virtue is very, very important. Mistake every human can do, whether small or big. But realization and changing yourself, accepting your mistake and changing it is the great virtue. Mistake is not a big issue. Mistake every human do, one or other way. But realizing and correcting it is the greatest virtue that everybody don't do. Some just ignore it. Something I should do it, no problem. I cannot say sorry, I don't need to say. But that's not good. Realizing and correcting is the greatest virtue. Okay, so let us see today's lesson, what he say. If only he could become himself again, though Govind, he would certainly not be selfish anymore. So he is telling, if I am once again back on my normal, usual color of the skin and things, I will never be greedy again. Mummy then brought the gulab jamun and vanilla ice cream. Mummy had prepared gulab jamun and also vanilla ice cream. Very tasty one. Have you eaten gulab jamun? Jamun is another, gulab jamun is another. Jamun is called blackberry, but this gulab jamun is black color rasagulla. It is made everywhere. For over from the party the day before. There was a balance from the last party before day, and there was that she brought it. There were only 3 gulab jamuns left in the bowls. So there are 4 brothers, and only 3 gulab jamuns are there. Now what will do Govind? Govind requested each of the brothers to take one. Within a second, his tail disappeared. See, children, he at once Govind changed. He told to his brothers, take one, all of you, I don't need. When he sacrificed himself, all the tail, the skin of the color changed. The allergy which he had, the poisonous, that changed. Within a second, his tail disappeared. When it was time to serve the ice cream, he first served the others before taking a spoon as full. As soon as he did this, his ear went back to normal. He took the ice cream, he served for everywhere. Everyone he served. He did not take fast and more. So his ear became normal. There was a little ice cream left. Though Govind really wanted to eat, he offered mummy instead. There was, after serving the three brothers, there was little ice cream left. And Govind wanted to eat. But he still thought, no, mummy did not eat. And he gave to mummy. At that moment, his nose shrunk back to the usual size. Shrunk means became smaller, short on the normal size of his nose, and he was all right. However, Govind still had a green face. How could he do something else that was not selfish and greedy? Now telling that his skin was still little greenish, but now what more to do selfless work, which that also could come normal. When lunch was over, Govind ran to the kitchen to help mummy wash the dishes. Today Govind went to help mummy in the kitchen to wash the dishes. What a great change. That seemed to be the job. Do the job. Within a second, the green color on his face disappeared and he was a normal boy once more. Govind ran to the mirror. He was so happy to see that he looked like himself once again. Govind shook his head and promised himself never to be selfish and greedy again. So, children, he is telling when he did good things, when he left the selfishness, and there he was able to change himself, then his all the allergy went off. He was once again good, and he promised that he will not do any more selfish work or be greedy. So when he promised and he acted, he changed. He realized his mistake and also he changed. He started to do at once. His action was at once, and then the blessings were flowing. He was normal. He became normal one by one. So it was a great deal with him. So children, be good, not to be selfish, be helping in the family. You must help in the family, especially to mother at home. Lots of works are there. You should help them to do something. Okay, thank you.